Hey, so I'm here to review my newest weapon, the PRETTYCARE P2 vacuum. Okay, so first things first, the unboxing. It comes perfectly packaged. Here's everything you get: the vacuum, the long nozzle, the battery, the wall mount, the extra filter, the small nozzle, the charger, the neck, the bristle nozzle, and the instruction manual. Now, putting it together was a breeze. I was amazed at the quality of the materials and the color. It all feels so luxurious, and the screen display makes it so modern. I like it so much because it's so lightweight. Look at this. You can just put it up with one hand, and that is very helpful. It has a running time of 40 minutes, but really, who wants to vacuum for more than 40 minutes? It's super easy to use. It's all like buttons that'll let you change the nozzles or make it longer or shorter. Like for example, right now I have B's nozzle that is great for small spaces, but then if I want to change it, I just push the button and there out it goes. This one right here, it just clicks in place and that's it. And it has one other nozzle that is great for furniture or for your car. Here, you see? And again, this can be used with one hand. There's two ways to charge. The first one is while hanging it on the wall, and you just connect it here, and the other one is the one that I use, and it's so much easier for me at least, to take the battery off and just charge it. All right, so now that it's charged, let's take this baby out for a spin. So here's another thing I enjoy about the P2. It has a full bin LED reminder, and then emptying it is so easy. Again, buttons. The filters are washable, and another feature I love is the lights at the end of the bristle nozzle, and it also has 2 levels of suction, and both work great. I'd love to stay and chat, but I'm off to vacuum, so bye-bye now!